What's up guys, in today's video we are going to be unboxing Cursed Satomb. It's a sparking bay, so yeah, let's get started. Well, first of all, let's check out the stats. It doesn't have that much. It has like bad attack. No, not that much. It won't burst bays that much. Defense is amazing. I guess if you could see that, you could tell by the steel. Weight, it has a lot of weight. A little agility. No stamina. Guys, look at that tip, and it says no stamina. Okay. You guys think it was worth it getting this way? I don't know yet. So, yeah, let's get started. Okay, well, this is the bay. Let's take the pieces out. 1 second. 1 second, guys. I'm just taking the string out. And okay, so here is the top. In my opinion, I guess it's a pretty good top. The tip. Oh wait, these can move. Wait, I forgot to tell you guys. This is able to absorb attacks, by the way. So I guess that's why these things move. Let me just put the chip back, and then the steel. This is the steel. Honestly, in my opinion, it's a pretty good steel, I guess. It looks like if someone tries to attack the steel, I guess the damage goes to them, kind of. And now, let's take off the tip. Okay. This is a pretty good tip, in my opinion. Okay, now, let's do a test battle. Let me just put the bays into their launchers. First up, well, not first up. This will be the only battle I'm doing. 1 second. The tip is big but small. It's kind of hard to put in. 1 second, guys. This tip is kind of hard to put in. Okay. 1 sec, and we'll get the battle started. Okay, there. Okay, it's a tall bay, I guess. Maybe, probably. It's a really tall bay. I don't know why it's so tall, but I guess it is. So this is a right spin. Let me just put the bay into the launcher. So first up, it's going against Demise Devil's Hasbro. Let's start the battle. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oops. 1 sec, guys. 3, 2, 1. 1 sec, guys. We're having some technical Okay, the base comes. We're gonna restart that battle, guys, because I kind of messed up launch really bad right there. Okay, let's restart that battle. The bay was kind of hard to put in, so it's a pretty difficult bay to put in because when I was also putting the tip in, it was kind of hard to put, so yeah, I guess. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Okay. And oh my god, this did damage. This did damage. Look at how much damage it did. Satomb. It said attacks were bad. Oh wait, Yeah, wait, I think it actually worked. It said the box says it's able to absorb attacks. So I guess that works. I'll be uploading another video today, so see you guys in that one. Peace.